Today we're crocheting this adorable and realistic daisy flower, inspired by nature and perfect as a keychain, a plaque, or a springtime gift. It's simple, quick, and beginner friendly. You'll need yellow yarn for the center, white yarn for the petals, a 2.5 mm crochet hook, scissor, a keychain handle. Start with a magic ring like this, lace it like that, and then insert your hook here. Grab this yarn on the top like that. Then grab the whole thing, hold the yarn accordingly, pull this one and this one to make that circle in the middle. Make a chain of 1 and make 10 single crochet in the circle. Insert your hook, grab that yarn and pull, grab that yarn and pull through 2. That is your first single crochet. Make 9 more single crochet in the circle. 2, total of 10 single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 single crochets in total. Slip stitch in the very first single crochet. Once you're done, yarn over and pull through. Pull this one in the bottom to close that circle in the middle. It is now tied. Now let's go in round 2. Now we'll increase chain 1, then do 2 single crochets in each stitch around. 2 single crochet in the very first stitch, 1 in the same stitch, add another 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Then place 2 single crochet per stitches all the way around. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. You should have 20 single crochet in total in the end. And make sure you count your number of stitches. Place 2 single crochet per stitches all the way around. We are finished with our round 2. Skip 2 stitches. They are mimicking that they are stitched, but they are not. We don't count them as a stitch at least. So skip this one. 1, 2. Go on the next stitch, which is in our first single crochet. Insert, grab, and pull through there. Chain 1, pull tight, cut the yarn. We are done with the yellow round. Now we have 20 stitches in total in round 2. For the yellow part, go to the white yarn, insert your hook in anywhere in the stitch, make a slip knot of the next color, which is white yarn, and pull that one. After making a slip knot, make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once you have chain of 5, 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2, insert, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2. 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, grab that yarn and pull, 3 loops in your hook, grab that yarn and pull through all 3 loops in your hook. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, yarn over once, insert your hook in the next stitch, grab that yarn and pull, grab that yarn, pull through 2, grab, pull through 2. 1 treble crochet in the next stitch, yarn 2 times, 1, 2, insert your hook in the last chain, grab that yarn and pull, 4 loops in your hook. Grab that yarn, pull through 2, grab, pull through 2, grab, pull through 2. We just made your first petal. Slip stitch in the next stitch, 1, 2. From where you started, count 1 and then 2. Insert your hook in the second stitch. Yarn over and pull through to slip stitch. Your first petal is finished. We're gonna repeat that all the way around. Slip stitch in the first stitch or in the same stitch where you started. It's gonna be our first petal. Yarn over and pull through. Get an overview with your first petal. Go in the next stitch, yarn over and pull, and make a slip stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat this one here. 1, 2, insert, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2. Go in the next chain, yarn over once, insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Go in the next chain, yarn over twice, insert your hook in the next chain, grab and pull, grab, pull through 2, grab, pull through 2, grab, pull through 2. One slip stitch in the same stitch, yarn over and pull through, close. We're gonna repeat that. Repeat chain 5, 1 single crochet in the second chain from your hook, 1 half double crochet in the next chain, 3 loops in your hook, 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 treble crochet in the next chain, 1 slip stitch in the same stitch here. Now you have your 3 double crochet petals here. Go in the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Chain 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1 half double crochet in the next chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 treble crochet in the next chain, slip stitch in the same chain or the same stitch here, just like how we do it. Yarn over and pull through. You get your 4. Go in the next chain or stitch, make a slip stitch to begin, make a chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and repeat that all the way around. We are finishing our last stitch here, or our last petals. I'm gonna just make a slip stitch here where we started, that petals or the last petals. Yarn over and pull through to make a slip stitch. And that's my last petals for this flower. Skip that next stitch and make a slip stitch in the very beginning of the petals you have. Pull through and chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. Secure all the remaining stitch and you're done. Inserting your hook in any stitches behind and make a few knots and cut the yarn. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more nature-inspired crochet ideas. Tag me if you make your own version. I'd love to see it. You wanna turn this into something wearable? Scarf, clothes, dress, hat? Follow for more.